Walking on in. When you walk right in, you have this entryway. The dark woods are going to be like a yacht. You know, this is the idea. This is contrary to the beach club where it's very bright. The yacht club is going to be very dark. You have like a closet right here. You come directly to the bathroom where you have a solid double vanity, which is awesome. Look at how bright that is. Hello, I'm wearing a Disneyland shirt. Hypocritical, I know. You have an excellent toilet and shower. Still the individual things here in 2020, but some awesome shower heads. There, we're gonna walk on out. Once you come here, you have a TV, you have a dresser. Right under the TV, you have a mini fridge, which is very good for things that are needing refrigerated. That's exciting. Heath, right there. You have a bed here. I love the headboards. I love the back wall. You have another bed here. This is actually also a bed. You can fold it and it will sleep one person as a twin, or it's a couch, which is awesome. You have a desk right here. This desk has a lamp, it has a Keurig with all your options. And it has, room service, cups, ice maker. It's a pretty good desk right there. This is our favorite part of the room, is the view from room 1005 is beautiful. It is gorgeous. It has a great view of the boardwalk. We love it. We recommend staying in this room.